Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Pankaj Verma and I am consultant physician and head of department integrative medicine at Rajasthan Hospital Jaipur. So आज हम बात करेंगे इंटीग्रेटिव मेडिसिन के बारे में, जिसे हम होलिस्टिक मेडिसिन भी बोलते हैं. What is this? So basically I did my MBBS from AIIMS and MD medicine from PGI Chandigarh, and after that I decided to help patient with combining different kind of pathies, because as we know there are allopathy, Ayurveda, homeopathy, yoga, everything is effective, but nothing is complete on its own. So if we combine them in holistic way, in scientific way, then we get the best result. So what we do, we treat patient of diabetes, obesity, arthritis, hypertension, gastritis, liver issues, and even some cancer patient with the help of holistic medicine. So how we do it? So when some patient come to us, we take a complete detailed history. We designed a questionnaire where we decide कि patient belong to which category based on their prakriti as per the Ayurveda, and then we do various blood tests required for the patient, specified for the patient, and then we decide कि which pathy to combine. Then we add some medicine from Ayurveda, some medicine from allopathy, and most importantly we focus basically on lifestyle and nutrition. We change the nutrition, we change the way patient eat, we change the kind of things patient eat, then we change their lifestyle. We advise them to enroll and imbibe yoga in their lifestyle. And if the patient is having psychosomatic issue, because as we know almost 60 to 80% of disease nowadays in this current era are stress related, are lifestyle related. So in these cases, in those cases, we add homeopathy medicines also, because homeopathy is very effective in all kind of mental health disorder. And if somebody is having chronic diseases like diabetes, arthritis, cancer, then we combine with the blend of Ayurveda along with allopathy medicine. So gradually patients see drastic improvement in their condition. As far as some patient of diabetes and obesity and arthritis can now manage their issue, manage their disease only with lifestyle, only with diet control, and gradually we wean off all kind of therapies from our side. So in this way we are helping patient, we are educating patient what is right, what is wrong, what kind of food is good for them, what kind of lifestyle should they have, what kind of mental attitude they should be having towards life for their betterment. Ultimately, we teach patient about the mental health, we teach patient about the physical health, how to gain confidence in controlling their disease almost without drugs in some of the patient. So that's how holistically we combine different kind of pathies. It's not like we combine every pathy in every patient. No. That depends on the patient, and that we classify patient based on their symptoms, based on their intensity, based on their severity of the symptoms, and then we add sometimes allopathy with Ayurveda, sometimes allopathy with homeopathy, sometimes only nutritional changes, sometimes we also do counseling and psychotherapy, and we change the mental health behavior of the patient, which is sometimes the root cause of their own diseases. So in this way we integrate holistically and scientifically what is best for the patient, and it's very customized therapy. We try to be as specific as possible for the individual who is coming to us. So this is all about integrative medicine. Thanks for the listening. Thank you.